Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge Review. Premium design meets your power. So first, Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge is the ultra-thin flagship variant in Samsung's 2025 lineup. It uses a titanium frame, Gorilla Glass ceramic 2 front, and strong rear glass chassis with a measure of around approximately 5.8 minimum, thick, and weighs around 160 grams. It has also an AMOLED display, and it's powered by Snapdragon 8 Elite for the Galaxy chipset, paired with over 12 GB RAM, and supports up to 8K video recording. So for the pros, it offers ultra slim and lightweight design. It has the premium materials and build quality. It has a high-end performance, which has the Snapdragon 8 Elite, which offers flagship level speed. It also offers excellent display, a strong camera leading spec, and a long software longevity because of 7 years of OS and security updates. The cons is though, the battery life is very compromised. The charging speed is modest for its class, and the camera also has some compromisations. And it also has some thermal and heat and sustained use issues, so it may overheat over time. And there are some premium price with trade-offs, so it can get expensive and not worth buying. So overall, if you value design, portability, and premium feel, and you carry your phone around a lot, then it might be worth buying and upgrading into this phone. But it's less ideal if you regularly do extended video recording and heavy gaming. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification for more tutorial videos.